Good morning students. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. As you already know, we are doing our chapter number 3 multiplication, and today I will continue with the exercise 3.4. And you have to firstly write your date as like this 25 July 2020 and write down the Saturday, and then after that write down your headings without leaving any line and draw them, underline them, and then write the classwork at the right corner of your page and draw one margin line. Right? Now, your first question of exercise 3.4 is find the product. As you already know, whenever the product says, it means you have to do the multiplication. Now, first question is 223 is multiplied by 200. Right? Now, how you will do? Students, no need to do the multiplication of these two zeros. Okay, just that your answer becomes 0, 0. In the answer you will get 0. So write 0 in the ones place and write zeros at the tens place, because you are having two zeros. So write two zeros starting from the ones place. Don't write 0 like this. Okay, ones place के नीचे ही आपकी 0 आनी चाहिए. Clear? With the two zeros, right? Then next, multiply this 2 with these 3 digits. As you can see, after multiplying by 2 digits, now your question comes in the 3 digit. You have to multiply 3 digits by 1 digit, by 2 digit, by 3 digit. Now, how you will do the multiply? Now 2 is multiplied by these all 3 places. So multiply it. 2 3s are 6. Write 6 at the 100 place. Everybody knows this is the ones, this is tens, and this is 100 place. These two zeros you will put at the ones and the tens place only. Okay, don't write them at the right of your notebook. Okay, then next 2 2s are 4. It becomes thousands place. Then again 2 2s are 4. Right? So your answer becomes 44,600. Again, suppose if you are having 216 multiplied by 400. How you will do? You will firstly put the zeros in the ones and tens place. I am having 2 zeros, so I occupied my 2 places. Right? Now next is the turn of 4. Now 4 is multiplied by all these 3 digits. Now 4 6 are 24, 2 carries, 4 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 6, 4 2s are 8. Then your answer becomes 86,400. Right? Write one digit in the one box only. I will say to you again and again, notebook should be neat and clean. Please don't create messed. Right? I will simply say that do it again. I will not check your notebooks then. Okay? Now, suppose now no zeros are there. Okay? In the digit which you have to multiply it with is not having zeros. It is just the simple number. For example, here you are having 364 is to be multiplied by, let's do now, 4 5s are 20. 0 is here, 2 carries. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2, 32. 3 carries. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3, 18. Right? See, places should matters. आप places गलत मत लिख देना. अगर मेरे पास इस तरह से है 364, 215, then don't write like this 1820. Okay, this should be wrong. Clear? Kept in one thing in mind, that places matters a lot. आपको ones place के नीचे ones place ही रखनी है, tens place के नीचे tens place ही रखनी है. Now, if you want to move to the next digit, when 1 is multiplied by these 3 digits, what you will place here? Anybody knows? Yes, you will put 1 cross now. Okay? when you shift it to the second place for multiplying the above 3 digits, what you will do, firstly you put the cross here in the next line and then you will start multiplying by it. Now multiply 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. It should be at the tens place. 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. Put the sign of plus here. Right? Now for moving towards the third digit, what you will do? You will now put 2 crosses at the ones place and at the tens place. Right? Now multiply it. 2 fours are 8. 2 six are 12. Now 1 carry. 2 threes are 6. 1 7. Now add them. 0. 2 plus 4 6. 8 plus 6. It becomes 14. 14 plus 8. It becomes 22. So 2 here and 2 carries. Now again 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 2 8. Right? 8 here. Right? And then 7 is like this only. Right? So this is your answer. This is your answer. Okay? Again I will tell you how I have done this. I firstly multiplied 5 by these 3 digits. Right? 5 fours are 20. 5 6 are 30 plus 2 32. 2 here 3 carries. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3 18. I have written 18. Right? Then for shifting the next or doing the multiplication of 1 by above 3 digits, what I have to put? I have to write the cross. Cross means nothing will come here. Right? Put the cross here and then 1 fours are 4. 1 6 are 6. 1 3s are 3. Right? And then now again for shifting to what I have put? I have put 2 zeros, 2 crosses at the ones and the tens place. Right? Keep one thing in mind. Start always doing your work from the ones place only. Don't do like this. 4 2s are 8. 4 6 are 12. 4 2 3s are 6. Then 4 1 is 4. 4 6. No. This will totally goes wrong only. Okay. Then we will moving towards the 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 6 are 12. 1 carry. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. Now I have multiplied them. Now my turn is for adding them. So add them. 0. 2 plus 4 6. 8 plus 6 14. 14 plus 8 22. 2 goes carries and then 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 2 8 and then 7 as it is. Right? In this way you can multiply the digits of 3 by 3. Now continue with the second part, fourth part of exercise 3.4. Now again what I have to do? I have to multiply 6 by 9. 9 6 are 6 9s are 54. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 5 17. Right? Now 1 carries again. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1 25. Right? Now what I will do? I will put 1 cross here and shift it or move towards the 4. Now 4 9s are 36. 6 hairs and 3 goes on carry. Right? 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 11. 11 1 carries. Then 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1 17. Right? Now again for moving towards the 2, I will put 2 crosses now in the next line. Right? Now 8 2s are 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Then again 1 carry. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. Then write 5 and then 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 8, right? Now add them. What you will get? 4, 7 plus 6, 13, 1 carries, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 1 carries, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 5, 15 again, 1 carries, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. So in this way you get your answer. Please, I am again telling you that keep the places very carefully and in a neat way. I am just telling you where I have kept the places. No need to put these arrows. Okay, this is for your understanding. Okay, now again I will discuss it with you. That is how I have done it. 429 multiplied by 246. Now firstly I will multiply 6 by all the 3 above digits, right? That is 9 6 are 54, 4 is with their ones place and 5 goes on carry. Then 5 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 5 17. Then 1 carries, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 1 25. Now again for 4, 4 9s are 36, 6 goes on the tens place and then 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11, right? Now 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 1 it becomes 17. Again now for it's the turn of 2. Now how you will do? Now put the 2 crosses at the ones and the tens place. Keep one thing in mind, you have to keep the crosses starting from the ones. Don't start from the left hand side, okay? Then 9 2s are 18, 18, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, then 4 2s are 8. Now add them. 4, 7 plus 6 13, 1 carries, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 8 15. Again 5 is written downwards and 1 goes on carry. Now 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1 it becomes 3, 3 plus 7 becomes 10, 10 plus 5 becomes 15. 5 is on the answer and 1 goes on carry. Now 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 8 10. Now this is your answer, okay? And no need to write these arrows right in the answer. So this is your final answer. Now let's start how you will do the next question. Now let's do the second question. 809 multiplied by 312. Now again it's the turn of 2. 2 9s are 18. 1 goes on carry, so 1 is written here. 2 8s are 16. Now I have put cross here. 1 9s are 9, 1 0s are 0, 1 8s are 8. Then I have put plus sign. Then in the next line I have put the 2 crosses. 3 9s are 27, 3 8s are 24, right? So add them. 8, 10, 14, 10 plus 2 12, 25, right? Clear? If you still have any doubt you can ask me, okay? Now again the next question, 516 multiplied by 170. Now how you will do? Students, this creates the confusion now, this 0, how you can do the 0 and then multiply it, okay? Firstly solve it like this only, okay? Multiplied by, now give the turn of 7, 7 6 are 42, right? 4 goes carry, 7 1 is 7, 7 plus 4 1 11, again goes carries, 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 1, 36. Right? Now 1 6 are 6, 1 1s are 1, 1 5s are 5. Keep one digit in the one box only. I am saying you again and again, your notebook should be neat and clean and in the proper way and a systematic manner. If I found any notebook is not like this, just as I am telling you, I will not check the notebooks and you have to make them again. Okay? So please, it's good that you maintain your notebooks in one time only. Okay? Now 0, 2, 6 plus 1 7, 6 plus 1 7, 5 plus 3 8. Got it? And this is your answer. I hope you have understood well, right? If you have any query, you can ask me anytime between 5 to 6 p.m. Okay, that's all for today. And now my one question is from your side. मेरे को आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछना है. आपने मुझसे क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा, हमने कितने दिनों से हम ये 3.4 तक पहुंच गए हैं, बट यू हैवंट आस्क्ड मी कि मैम हम यहाँ पे क्रॉस क्यों लगा रहे हैं, ये 6 को हम यहाँ क्यों नहीं लिख रहे. Why we are not writing 6 at the ones place and why we are not writing 8 and 5 at the ones and the tens place. Now my question is for you only. Let's see who will give me the answer, and you have to give me your answer in your maths club group. Okay? Bye. Take care. That's all for today.